you can still travel without your father's consent. This is a common misconception that is being spread about the girls because the people are not aware that the travel is only allowed with the mahram, be it your father, be it your brother, be it your son with the age of puberty, be it your husband. Women should not travel without their mahram. Major ulama, major scholars have approved that the travel that is overnight or even a certain distance can only be done with the mahram. This is exactly why we have to learn our deen properly and actually not follow the misconceptions spread on social media, because social media is not an authentic sheikh you should follow. Always, always, always remember to follow the rightly guided wisdom of all the scholars that have done so much research and they have obtained their information, their skills or their knowledge based on Quran and Sunnah. If you have to travel, go consult a sheikh about your particular situation. Don't go by who is going to Umrah, going to Hajj, going to any travel without any mahram, because if she is doing wrong, you're not supposed to follow.